Don't stand in front of the thing. We'll just,
It's all good, that's it. It's all good. Because we're not doing sleep.
the same way we were standing. Guys!
Sure. 1, 2, 3, tomato!
Okay, I'm gonna go to the shop with you. What flavor tomatoes will I get? No problem, guys. No problem, gents.
I remember this time coming from the club, yo. My thing was buying a pie, lifting the lid and putting tomato sauce inside. It just hit the spot.
You're playing games. And I remember this time I was having a braai with my boys there, bro. Hey, this one came with tomato.
Oh, wait.
What's this one? This is the best combo, most. Yes.
You guys don't know about biryani and tomato sauce.
Now you see? We've been eating some matchup since the advert.
Wait.
You know why? I'd rather be a Simba chippy once.
I want to be a Simba chippy.
I want to be Simba Chippy.
I wanna be a Simba chippy.
We want to be a Simba chippy.
The flavor yarona, it bring about you together, man. You can't go wrong with tomato sauce. Come on.
Yo, where we come from, Mzanzi, we have this thing we call a dike. Tomato sauce flavor Simba chips on 2 slices of bread.
Yes.
It's made by
You know what I think? If you haven't had this flavor, what are you eating? What are you eating if you know you've never had this flavor? You're missing
Tomato sauce.
So true.
Besides that,
Yeah.
just look at how everyone here is dressed today.
Hey, with tomato.
Wait. Why is that? Why?
Because
It's flavor.
Tomato.
I know. Wait.
Tomato.
Which flavor finished first in the house?
Tomato.
Tomato sauce, bro. Because why? It's for